alaikum. We're back in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Keep watching. We've got some amazing cooking in your way coming. Let's start. Alright, we're in the kitchen and we're preparing our Christmas dinner, guys. We've got all our ingredients lined up here and we're gonna cut our potatoes in quarters. Those there. We haven't peeled our potatoes today, as you can see, guys, because what more better roast can you do without peeling the potatoes? So we're moving on to our carrots, our lovely, nice, juicy carrots. And then we're gonna cut them in halves. Slicing them corner sides. That's how goes there, all nice and ready. Okay, and then we're gonna put one whole garlic clove, cut it in half. Want it to peel, and we're just gonna throw it in there. I'm going to put some fresh thyme and some rosemary as well. Then I'm going to put some pepper and I'm going to add salt. Then I'll add some oil. I'm going to mix all of these together. Everything goes in the seasoning. Right, that's our roast ready. We can go in the oven. Jumping onto the marinade for the chicken. So I have got some parsley up here, which I'm going to slice. Add the thyme in. and the rosemary. Get those bits there. Mix all these up. Put that there. And also I'm going to add my pesto that I made from the previous video. If you don't have the chance to watch it yet, I'll put the link of that on the subscription area. Right, mix all these up. I'm going to drizzle some oil on it. Salt and pepper for taste. And then mix all of it up. Wow. Right, so I'm gonna put the chicken up here so that you can see. Right, let's find a space for the chicken. Put your hand up in the skin. Be careful, don't tear the skin. So we need to find a space. There you go. I'm gonna put this seasoning in the chicken there. Some inside. I'm gonna put some butter in as well because we want to make a juicy chicken. We don't want our chicken to dry when it's grilled. Wow, that's lovely. I'm going to cut the lemon in half and put it inside the chicken, and I'm going to cut the garlics as well. Whole garlic is going in. One goes in that side and the other one goes on that side, and I'm going to put one red onion cut in quarters and half a white onion. I'm gonna cut as well in quarters. Then I'll add that in there and some of it in the bowl. And that goes into the chicken. Look at that! Right, 1 second. Let me wash my hands and then we can finish this. Right, now I want to tie the legs of the chicken together so that everything stays in, it doesn't come out. I go like that. And then I go like that. And then I twist it around. Give it a little knot here. Right, that's our chicken all nice and ready. So I'm going to put this chicken in the oven and it will grill for 1 hour 20 minutes to 1 hour 25 minutes. We're going to jump onto our sausages in blanket. We've got our poultry bacon here, guys, but it's halal. I can assure you that it's halal. If you ever think of making a sausage in blanket, as how they call it, pigs in blanket, if you're a halal person, you can buy your sausages here. I've got turkey and chicken here, and I've got some poultry turkey slices here, which I'm going to cut a little bit. And then I'm going to wrap them in the sausage and put them upside down on the tray so that it doesn't come off. So if you bake it, it will stay. This is the first time I am doing it, so I hope it's gonna work. Let's do it together, guys. There you go. Grab these bad boys in there. Now we're going to do our sage and onion stuffing, and we're going to make some balls out of it. And this is 170 grams, and I'm going to add 520 milliliters of water on it. I'm going to stir a little bit. I'm going to add a bit of butter. And then I'll mix the butter with it all together. Then I'm going to put a cling film on it for about 10 to 15 minutes before I make the balls. Okay, after 10 minutes we take the cling film of the sage and onion stuffing. As you can see, guys, this is how it looks. Okay, right, let's do some balls. Yep. Don't you worry, guys, if you're not precise, you can make any size. I'm trying to be precise. Okay, now this is going to go in the oven, and it's going to be grilled for about 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, the chicken is, as you can see, is getting so much brown on the top bit there, and we don't want the top to get so much brown and it's not going to cook inside. So for that being the reason, I'm going to put some foil on the top bit so that that bit doesn't get burned and we think that it's cooked while it's not. So I'm going to put it back in the oven again. Okay guys, now we're moving on to our Yorkshire pudding. So we've got 3 large eggs here. Alright. So we're gonna mix that. And then we got 200 milliliters of milk that goes in. And then we keep mixing. Then 200 grams of flour. We do bit by bit. Then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. That's it. That's all that we need. As you can see, this is how your batter should look like after whisking it, and there shouldn't be any lumps in it. It should be that light. So I'm gonna move that in the jug. Then we're going to do our frying. Got some hot oil in the baking tray from the oven. I'm going to put my butter in there. Don't fill it up too much. Okay, so we're gonna put that back in the oven and let it cook for 10 minutes. Right, there you go. Alright, bad boys. Our Yorkshires are ready. They're all looking nice and beautiful, as you can see. Wow. So we set that aside and then get ready. Right. Our juicy chicken is ready and it's coming out. There you go. And then this sauce here, that's from the chicken. I am going to make gravy out of that one. Don't get rid of it. All the ingredients are in this. Got this juice that's left from the vegetable that I steamed earlier. So I'm going to add that in. I'll add the gravy in. Yeah, that will do. So guys, there you have it. This is our Christmas dinner, guys. We've got our chicken all nice and roast here with all the roast vegetables around it. And we've got Brussels sprouts here with some broccoli. We've got a nice lovely gravy here. And we've got our Yorkshire pudding, egg and onion stuffing. And we've got our roast potatoes here with our sausages in blanket. They turn out very nice, guys, as you can see. It looks lovely here. So I'm going to try and carve some little bit side of the chicken to show you how juicy this chicken looks. As you can see, the chicken is cooked nicely well. I'm gonna try and cut a little bit of that, and then I'll take my fork to taste. Right, let's have a look. Wow, that is so tender. The chicken is so juicy. I'm loving it. And guys, it's a red grape slaw. It's for our party drink today. And this one is white grape and elderflower. So I'm gonna pour some of it out. That's all that we've got for you today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Thank you all for your lovely support from the whole team, from the little soldiers and the camera crew in Fatim Ali's kitchen. We love you all. We wouldn't have made it this far without your support. So keep watching and like our videos. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on content when we post a new video. 2020 has been a tough year for all of us. I hope 2021 brings lots of love and care. We love you all and have a lovely holiday. Season greetings, and then we'll see you in the new year. In the meantime, take care and keep safe, and we love you all. Bye bye.